Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing an everyday glam using the James Charles palette. This bad boy. Let's open her up. Look at that. Lots of looks you can create with this bad boy. So this is the look we're going to be doing today. Please don't mind this over here. I had a little bit of an eyeliner mishap, which you will see in live action coming up pretty soon. So, sit back, relax, buckle your seatbelts, follow along, whatever you're going to do, and enjoy. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for being here. So my face is already done, so let's just dive right into the palette. We're going to do our base shade with, what am I doing here? We're going to do our base with the shade Tune. That's this one, this yellowy shade. We're going to warm up my eye a little bit. I'm just taking my little Colourpop shader brush. We're putting Tune all over the lid. Next, with another shader brush, I'm going to go in with Punch Me as a transition shade. I'm going to take my blender brush and blend out my harsh edges. Harley, would you shush? Next, I'm going to take a crease brush and I'm going to take the shade Mary. That's this one right here. And I'm going to go into the crease with Mary. Now on my lid, I'm going to take a smaller shading brush, and I'm going to go in with, what is that? Boutique. It's this shade over here. And I'm going to do that on my lid. We're doing an all matte look today. Okay, I think I'm going to go back into my crease with a little bit more Mary. I just wanted to bring out the color a little more, and we're going to blend it away anyways. So it's not going to be too terribly huge of color. I'm dipping back into Tune a little bit just to kind of get a little more yellow around the edges and kind of soften up the edge of the redness that I have created. These shades ended up being a lot redder than they looked in the pan. So keep that in mind. Mary and Boutique are both very red shades. I'm going to go in with my smudger brush and I'm going to take Boutique under my eye. And now I'm gonna soften that up with a little bit of Mary. And take my blender brush to it. Okay, and that'll be it for the shadows from this palette. So here's, oh, let me get in the frame. Here's how that looks. It's a cute little red look, red mattes. Now I'm gonna go in with my Golden Gatsby Livewire liner. We're doing a wing today. Ooh, oh boy. Just got a big clump. Just came out. Oh. This is a hot mess. We're gonna roll with it. I'm not going out at all. It's like 2 o'clock in the morning. We're just gonna keep going and take the pictures from this side. So I just went in with my Ulta concealer pencil on my waterline to make myself look a little more awake. Because that's a lie. What am I doing? Lashes. I'm going to use my Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara. I'm going to prime my lips with my Colourpop Lippie primer. This baby is almost gone. Good thing I have a backup. Now I think a good lip shade is going to be the Jeffree Star by Manny MUA I'm Shook. And there we go, just a little bit of setting spray or a lot of bit of setting spray, whatever your style may be. And we are good for a cute little everyday glam little look here. So here we go. Ignore this on this side. But here we go. Here is the little look. Let's see if we can see my highlight. A little bit. I'm wearing my Marc Jacobs highlighter. So here we go. That is that. And thank you so much for watching my channel, watching my video. I appreciate you being here, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.